Next in Java, we are going to do inheritance. So inheritance is the property which allows us to acquire the property of parent class into child class, and properties are its variables and methods. So here this is our package whose name is demo 8, and within this package I'm creating one class and I'm naming this class as single inheritance.java. So in single inheritance there will be only one parent class and only one child class. That child class is going to acquire the properties of parent class. So here I'm creating my class. Name of this class is 1, and within this class I'm creating three variables, three instance variable A, B and C. These are three instance variable. Here I'm creating one method of type void, and name of that method is get. What this method is going to do, it will get the values of A, B and C. So here I'm assigning value 10 to A, to B I'm assigning 20, and to C I'm assigning 30. So this function is getting the value of A, B and C. Here we haven't printed the value of A, B and C. Now here I'm creating one more class, class 2. Now right now this 2 class is not extending that parent class. So this is not the child class, neither this is parent class. To make this class a child class, we have to put keyword extend. So class 2 extends. Here we have to mention 1 because we are making this 1 as a parent class. Now this 2 is child class and 1 is parent class. This 2 is going to get properties of 1, and the properties are its variables and its methods. And here what I am doing is I'm creating one more method, void show. So in upper class we have taken the value of 10, 20 and 30 in A, B and C, and here we are going to display the value of A, B and C. System.out.println, and here we are saying A equals to plus. This way we can print the value of A. Same way we are going to print the value of B and C. So here we have printed the value of A, B and C. So this is our parent class, and when it finishes its curly brackets ends, we have created one more class which is class 2, which is extending class 1, and it has one method which is displaying the values of A, B and C, and here this class is finishing. And this is our main class, and within this main class we can create the object of 1 as well as 2. If we create the object of class 1, that means we will be able to access only these variables and this get method. We will not be able to show the values of A, B and C. Now here if we make the object of 2 not 1, then 2 is extending class 1. That means 2 has the properties of class 1 as well as it has its own property, like this method is in class 2. So it will be access this method, these variables, this method and this method. So here we are going to create the object of class 2 because it is acquiring the property of class 1 as well. So 2 t equals to new 2. So here t is our object. Now here we can say t dot, here we have to say t dot get is from class 1, and this class 2 is acquiring the properties of class 1, so it will be able to access this method get. So this here we are getting calling get method with the help of this t object. It will go here, it will assign the value of A, B and C. Then after that I'm calling t dot show. What it is doing, after acquiring the value of, after assigning the value of a, b and c, it will go to this method, it will call this method and print the values of a, b and c. Save it and run it. So here it has printed the value of a equals to 10, b equals to 20 and c equals to 30. So this was single inheritance in which there is only single derived class or child class or subclass. This two is child class, derived class or subclass, which extends the which inherits the property of parent class, and parent class is one, and its properties are its variables and method.